Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? In this session, we will learn about subtraction, the complex number subtraction. That is कि अगर हमारे पास नंबर्स जो हैं वो डिफरेंट डिजिट्स के हैं, नंबर्स हमें दो ही माइनस करने हैं लेकिन डिफरेंट डिजिट्स के। अगर तो नंबर्स हमारे पास वर्टिकल फॉर्म में लिखे हैं तो ये सब्ट्रैक्शन कैसे होगी? लेट्स सी। 3 minus 3 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. 9 minus 3 is 6. After adding 3 digit numbers, जब हमने 3 digit नंबर हमारे पास निकल गए तो सबसे पहले हम क्या लगाएंगे? कॉमा। Again 6 minus 5 1. 9 minus 0. If we minus 0 from any number, the answer will be the same number, that is 9. 4 minus 2 2. Now do we have any number here? No, we have no number here, so we have to copy 1 as it is. तो अब बताइए नंबर क्या बन गया? This number is of 7 digits and 7 digit numbers are 1 million numbers. So that makes 1,291,610. 1,291,610. Now what if the numbers are not written in vertical form? अगर आपके पास सम वर्टिकल फॉर्म में नहीं लिखा हुआ बल्कि हॉरिजॉन्टल फॉर्म में लिखा है और आपको उसको माइनस करना है, लेकिन आपको पहले क्या करना है? उसको कन्वर्ट करना है वर्टिकल फॉर्म में। तो पहले हम इस सम को वर्टिकल फॉर्म में लिखेंगे। कैसे लिखेंगे? जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया कि सबसे पहले हम लोग लिखते हैं प्लेस वैल्यू। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट कि ज़्यादा डिजिट का नंबर कौन सा है। जैसे कि 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, ये नंबर ज़्यादा डिजिट का है, सो वी हैव टू राइट द प्लेस वैल्यू टिल 8 numbers, that is ones, tens, hundreds, then 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and then millions, and then 10 millions. Now let's see how do we write this. 1 in 10 millions, then 6, then 400,000, and then 823. Our next number is 7 digits. Should I start from here? If I write like this, what will happen? I have no numbers in ones column. How will I do addition? So we always start from the right hand side. We always start putting number from the ones column. So this 2 will be in ones column, this 7 will be in tens column, and then ones in hundreds column. Then 6 will be in thousands column, 3 will be in 10,000 column, 9 will be in 100,000 column, and this 7 will be shifted to millions column. Now we can easily do subtraction. 3 minus 2 is 1, 2 minus 7. Now 2 is smaller than 7. If we have smaller number on top, अगर हमारे पास ऊपर जो भी नंबर लिखा है अगर वो स्मॉल नंबर होगा देन वी हैव टू बोरो फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट प्लेस वैल्यू. जो प्लेस वैल्यू इसके पीछे है या उसके बराबर में है उससे हम कैरी करेंगे, नॉट फ्रॉम राइट हैंड साइड बट फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, यानी पीछे के नंबर की तरफ, यानी कि हंड्रेड्स की तरफ. अब हंड्रेड्स में हमारे पास 8 है तो हमने 8 से एक ले लिया नंबर और यहाँ पे बच गए 7 एंड दिस नंबर बिकम्स व्हाट 12. 12 minus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5. 7 minus 1 is 6. After writing 3 numbers, put comma. Now, how can you minus 6 from 0? 0 has to borrow from the other number. But when he looked at the other number, towards the 10,000, it also has 0, means nothing. He has nothing to give him or to share with him. So, this 0, that is 10,000, will take the borrow from 4. अब जब इस 0 ने 10,000 से नंबर मांगा तो उसने कहा कि मेरे पास तो खुद कोई नंबर नहीं है, आई एम जस्ट अ 0. सो देन 10,000 से कि लेट मी सी and ask 100,000. Maybe he has some numbers with him. So yes, he has 4 numbers. So he gave one number to 10,000. और इसके बाद बच गए 3. फिर 1000 वाले कॉलम ने कहा, 0 ने कहा कि you have to give me 1. Remember when I have told you give me 1, you were at that time you have only 0th number. So now you have 10. So you can give me 1. So he gave him one number, that makes 10 9, and this 0 become 10. Now 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. Now again 3 at top and 9 at bottom. Can we do subtraction? No, we cannot do because 9 is bigger number. So हम 3 में से 9 कभी माइनस नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि 3 तो खुद एक स्मॉल नंबर है. So how can you give more numbers? How you can subtract the number from 3? So he again has to borrow number from 6. So when 6 give 1 to 100,000, 6 will become 5 million. And this will become 1300,000. So 1300, this 13 number, now we can minus 9 from 13 number. Yes, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Only 4 is left. So we write 4 here. 5 minus 7. Can you minus 7 from 5 number? No, we cannot minus 7 from 5 number. So we have to borrow. Borrow from which number? From 10 millions, which is 1. And if 1 will give his 1 to million, this 10 million will become 0. चूँकि 10 millions ने अपना 1 जो है वो दे दिया है millions को, तो इसलिए अब 10 मिलियंस के पास कोई नंबर नहीं बचा और जो मिलियन है वो बन गया 15. तो 7 minus 15, 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That makes 8. So now after writing 3 numbers we again put the comma. That makes now before that we have 8-digit number. Now our answer is of only 7-digit number, that is 8,464,651. Again listen, 8,464,651. is the answer or is the product of this two sum. इन दोनों सम को जब माइनस किया तो हमारे पास ये आंसर आया. ठीक है. Let's do some more practice of subtraction sums. Now we have to minus 45,692 from 10 millions. Now इस नंबर के अंदर इतने ज़्यादा ज़ीरोस हैं कि इसको हम कैसे लिखेंगे वर्टिकल फॉर्म में. सबसे पहले we will write the place value. Let's see. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then millions, and then 10 millions. Now let's see how do we write this. 10, then millions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 45,692. 692 and then 45,000. Now we have to subtract these two numbers. Now on the top of these two, all these numbers, all these 5-digit numbers, we have 0. So we cannot borrow from here. We have to take the borrow, or we have to take the numbers from 10 million, that is 1. So when this 10 million will give 1 to million, it will become 0, and this million becomes 10 million, matlab 10. This million become 1 million. This million becomes 1 million. But again we have to do subtraction in the ones column. हमें subtract करना है ones column को, इसलिए हम यहाँ से move करते हुए लेके जाएंगे इसको 100,000 पे, और when we'll take 1 from 10, it will become 9, and then 100,000 will become 10. फिर यहाँ से हमने दोबारा इसको 1 दिया 10,000 को, this will become 9. फिर अगेन हमने इसको 1000 में ट्रांसफ़र किया, it will become 9, it will become 10. Again we shift this one, take 1 from 1000, it will become 9. And again this 110 of hundreds column will give 1 to tens column, and this will become 9. चूँकि हमको माइनस करना है 1 से कॉलम फर्स्ट, so again the ones column will ask the tens column, will you give me 1? Tens will say yes, sure. It has given 1 to ones column, और फिर tens के पास रह गए 9 number. Now we can easily do subtraction with these numbers because we have 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Now we have 9s in the millions, 9s in 100,000, 9s in 10,000, 9s in thousands, 9s in hundreds, and 9s in tens, and 10 in the ones column. So now we can easily subtract. 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, again 5. Now we do not have any numbers over here, so we can simply copy these numbers as it is, like 9 here, 9 here, and here we have no number. So this number becomes 9,954,308. This number becomes 9,954,308. I hope you all understand how to do subtraction of different digit numbers. Okay. Stay tuned for the next session. Allah Hafiz.